only at Ashley.
Well, I hope you've had a chance to get out there and enjoy the absolutely beautiful weather that we've had over the 4 states in the last several days, especially in the mornings with very cool temperatures, including this morning at Seneca, Missouri with Indigo Sky Casino and Resort. As we go through the day, you can see mostly fair skies all afternoon with lots of blue out there and also some cool temperatures in the afternoon, certainly below normal. We only made it up to 83 today after starting out at a chilly 58. Of course, those were way below the normals of 90 and 68. We're still behind on the rainfall, though. We could use some more rain, but unfortunately right now on radar, there's not a whole lot to be found anywhere in the 4-state region, and across the entire central part of the country is pretty dry, and it's going to stay that way for several days, and I'll show you why in a moment. But right now, we're looking at temperatures very, very pleasant. 66 in Stockton right now, 68 in Lamar, 69 in Carthage. Pick out your hometown, 74 in Veneta, 73 in Neodesha, as well as Sedan. All right, let's take a look at the dew points, because this is what's been the big factor. With these low dew points, it's allowed temperatures to drop down into the 50s and 60s in the morning, and that's where we're looking at dew points right now, in the 60s. But notice we're starting to see the humidity coming back a little bit down in Oklahoma, and as we go through the next few days, the humidity is going to start increasing once again. But right now, dew points are not all that bad. Right now in Joplin, we're sitting at 71 degrees with a southeast wind at 6. Feels like 71. That's because the dew point's low at 60, and currently the pressure is steady. We're not expecting any rain over the next few days. In fact, pretty close to zero for the next 36 hours. Instead, we're going to see this ridge of high pressure off to the west start to inch its way back across our area. And as it does, all the storminess is going to go up to the north. And instead, we're going to be left with a hot dome of high pressure over us for the weekend. We do have a chance of showers in our forecast, but we're going to have to wait several days before it gets here. Tonight, we're going to see mostly fair skies with lows in the 60s. And then tomorrow, we're going to have a front drop down from the north, but all it's going to do is change the wind direction. We're still going to see temperatures in the upper 80s to around 90, which is around normal for this time of the year. Then the front moves through and we start to get some drier air move in. So we drop back down into the 50s and lower 60s as we go into Friday morning. Then Friday afternoon, that front retreats back to the north and east as a warm front, and we start to see more normal temperatures around here with highs around 90. And then on Saturday morning, we'll see lows pretty much in the 60s and 70s. How about the next 7 days? Well, looking pretty dry, but also getting a little bit warmer. Certainly by Sunday with the temperature close to 100 degrees. And then we start to cool it off just a little bit as we go through the rest of the work week. Maybe a few clouds increasing in the early part of the week, and then more chances of showers starts to come into our forecast on Thursday and Friday of next week.
We will certainly welcome more showers by then,
Yes.
although we've had some heavy rains in some areas recently, not nearly enough.
Not nearly enough, but hopefully we'll get some more as we go through the forecast.
All right, Sam,
All right.
thank you.